Should this be a fail? And can this be a fail? Stay tuned. This is the entrance to licensing centre in Cannington. So this would be William Street here. And that is a car park of the Department of Transport in Cannington. Now, usually at the end of the driving assessment, it's probably more than 50% of times, the candidate would come from that direction. They would cut into the refuge lane and wait for the traffic from opposite direction to turn back into the licensing centre. Now, a lot of people don't understand that if there's a vehicle turning from the opposite direction into the same car park, that this vehicle or the candidate in this situation should not commit to turning unless there's enough space for them to fit in there. Can this be an instant fail? So, if the candidate, imagine even if there's no these cars, okay, there's no, or if they're much further, okay, so if this car is still in the process of turning and still partially blocking the entry, this vehicle cannot commit to turning, because if this one, for whatever reason, stops and blocks his entry, and the traffic from the opposite direction keeps closing a gap on them, could be a big problem. So never commit unless your car can fully fit. Even worse, if this one stops for any reason and you committed to turning, and if there was another car doing the same, if they block you off here, where would you go? And if there's a truck closing a gap on you, it's a huge, huge problem there. So always imagine in this type of situation that there is a written sign, keep clear. So this area must be kept clear, okay? So remember, the turning car must make enough space for your vehicle to fit. Would this be an instant fail in the case of a learner driver coming back to the license centre and driving, committing to drive into the car park without having enough space to fit their vehicle? 100%. So always make sure that you can safely turn by not interfering with the opposite direction traffic. If there's the slightest doubt, just wait for a better opportunity. If it takes 3, 5, 10, 15 seconds longer, it's not going to affect the test result. But if you're committed to turning without having enough clearance, they can definitely fail you right on the spot. Even if you were passing up until that point in time, the assessor will have to terminate your driving assessment by intervening if you start to commit without having enough space to fit inside of the car park. We hope you can implement this, not only here, but more importantly, to your everyday driving, because when you pass your driving assessment, it's when your real driving test starts. Making a similar error without anyone to assist you could be fatal. Please look after yourselves on roads and share this video if you care. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.